Guys are able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So I want to tell about a few things. One is about a registry, another one is about safe mode, and then another point is about a system restoration and BSOD. Okay, BSOD. So, how much time we have? Lesser time. Anyway, we are in the mode of drivers, kernel kind of stuff. So I want to talk about a BSOD. What is BSOD? Blue screen of death. It is also called a stop error or it is a system error. Okay. Blue screen error, blue screen of death, stop error. Okay. It is a kind of a system error. It is BSOD, blue screen of death. Yes. What is a BSOD? Is a system failure at a kernel level due to the issue with the Windows drivers or hardware related. In generally, okay. So you have a system, you have a hardware, right? You have a hardware and you have an operating system. Okay. This hardware, if some settings are changed related to the hardware, or maybe a new hardware device is added, a new device is added, so that is become incompatible or uncompatible with your existing hardware. Sometimes because of change of hardware settings or a new devices addition or change in the device drivers, change in the drivers which is works at a kernel level, okay, or incompatible drivers creates conflicts in the system. Conflicts create a conflicts in the system. Okay, that is the main one of the reason. Because of this conflict, system cannot understand and resolve the conflicts immediately. Resolve the conflicts immediately. Okay. So then it will throw a BSOD, blue screen of death. Blue screen of death. It is not an app crash. For example, an application is not working, it is crashed. It never causes. It never causes a blue screen error. If a browser crashes, Windows continuously running, it very rare that app can cause the blue screen. It is very rare app can cause the blue screen because they are run at a higher level in the operating system where applications are runs at the top of shell. But the blue screen causes at kernel level and hardware level only. And it is saying it is very rare. It is not saying impossible. Very rare means there is certain applications also create some virtual hardware kind of stuff. Virtual hardware related things like a virtual adapters. If you see my ncpa.cpl, okay, I have a physical adapters are only two. This is my physical network adapter, and this is another physical adapter. This is the virtual, this is the virtual, this is the virtual. Of course, this is the virtual also. Okay, so that is created by an application. So this application may has some virtual hardwares. So because of this virtual hardware runs on your physical hardware devices, there it is a conflicts will be created. So when conflict is created, conflicts at IRQ, IO, memory addressing, okay, paging related, means virtual RAM related. Is a virtual RAM related, not VRAM, virtual RAM. Virtual RAM or virtual memory is nothing but our paging kind of errors. Okay. IRQ errors, IO memory addressing related. Conflicts are generated. Our system throws BSOD. Okay. So mainly these IO conflicts. So I will show you that MS info 32. This is IRQ. What is IRQ? Interrupt request queuing. Each and every device is recognized by a IRQ number. Okay, an IRQ number. See, it is IRQ number. Each and every device is recognized by an IRQ number. Keyboard, mouse, your graphic cards, on motherboard, off motherboard, connected to motherboard, IRQ number. Memory addressing. Each and every device has some memory address. IO addressing. Okay. So sometimes you install a new hardware or maybe install some drivers. Maybe there is certain application. That application also interact with your hardware or creating some virtual hardware. So that may disturb your IRQ or a IO and memory addressing. So that conflicts will throws a BSOD. Okay. So when you are got a BSOD, how it is the BSODs look like? Can you see? This is one kind of BSOD in Windows XP and Windows 7 systems. This is the BSOD error. Suddenly system will stop. On the screen, it shows like this. See in the bottom, stop error 0x0000C1. And it is also saying special pool detected memory corruption. So it is related to either virtual memory or your physical memory, means RAM related or virtual memory related. Special pool detected memory corruption. So when you got a BSOD, so these two are from Windows 10, Windows 10 related. Here also you can able to see critical process dead. Here page fault in a non-paged area. It is a paging related, virtual memory related kind of stuff. System threat exception not handled. See, when you are getting a BSOD error, system stops. That's it is called a stop error. And it displays something on it is in the screen. Something on the screen. What you have to do? Note down the stop code. Note down the stop code and information. Note that information. Otherwise, take a photo. Later search in a Google or search in a Microsoft website to find out what is that exactly issue is. Okay. Once again, guys, any hardware drivers related things may cause conflicts at memory, IO addressing, and IRQ related. So check newly hardware installation. Any new hardware is installed, then you are getting BSOD, or maybe you are updated the drivers, or maybe you install a new drivers. Now you are getting BSOD. Maybe you install a application or an update application. After that one you are getting BSOD. Or you change some settings in the BIOS, then you are getting BSOD. So if you got a BSOD, why BSOD is occur? Sometimes after you install a new hardware, you attach a new hardware in your PC, then you are getting BSOD immediately. Or maybe you install a new drivers, or maybe you updated drivers, you got a BSOD. Or maybe you change the BIOS settings related to some hardware related. So you change the BIOS settings and conflict is generated and it is throwing a BSOD. Okay, and maybe you install an application. After installation of application, because of that application has some certain features for hardware related, now it may throw BSOD. So what you will do it once you got a BSOD, okay, that is the point we will see next. Guys, understand what is a BSOD? Blue screen of death. It occurs because of failures at Windows kernel level, maybe because of drivers or maybe because of hardware. Not actually, not very rarely application related, mostly not application crashes. Okay. Most of the blue screen of deaths are hardware or drivers related. So when BSOD occurs, it shows on the screen with some information on it. Take the information, search about the information. Based on that information, we can able to understand why you are getting a BSOD. We may understand why you are getting this BSOD. And BSODs in different reasons you are getting. One of the reason is you add a newly hardware or a new kind of drivers. It generates it conflicts at IRQ or IO memory addressing. Or maybe you are install a new hardware. Maybe you install a new drivers or updated drivers. You install an application or an updating of application, change of BIOS settings also causes the BSOD. Guys, understand up to here?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you got a BSOD. Then what to do? You got a BSOD. Then what to do? Okay. You got a BSOD. Then what to do? Wait. Just wait. See, there is 60% completed. Here it is excess 25% completed, 60% completed. So when BSOD occurs, system is trying to collect the information related to the occurrence of BSOD. Why this BSOD occurs? So system is trying to collect some error information. We are just collecting some error information. We will restart it for you. It means system will restart. Okay. So when BSOD occurs, nothing to do it. Just, if possible, take a phone and take a picture of your screen. Keep it aside. Okay. And wait for some time. Wait for a some time means ma make sure that is 100% completed. Do not disconnect. Don't fully forcibly restart. Okay. So wait for 100% completed. Wait to another 2 minutes to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can just wait. 100% completed. System restart itself. System will restart itself. It is not at all restarting. You can turn off forcibly. If it is not restarting itself, even 100% completed, it is not restarting itself. So you wait for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then forcibly restart your PC. Okay. So wait for 100% completed. System will restart itself. And after restart, you may not get a BSOD. If you don't get BSOD again, the issue is resolved because the conflicts, guys, like what is a conflict? So having mismatched numbers. Okay. A not understandable device kind of stuff. So the very first time, so what it will do, it is restart the system. Then it will resolve these conflicts at IRQ conflicts or IO memory addressing conflicts. It try to resolve it itself. So then you don't get a you may not get a BSOD again. If you don't get it, issue is resolved. Okay, understand? BSOD comes. Wait. Let it 100% completed. Take a note of the error information. Let system restart itself. Once it is restarted, if you don't get a BSOD, if you are not getting BSOD, issue is resolved. Understand that, guys? The first point. Hmm? Understand these 2 points.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what if BSOD comes again? If to resolve no problem, what if the BSOD occurs? Then there is a thinking. So when it is occurring generally, like immediately your system is started, again you got a BSOD, again system is started, again you got a BSOD. So there really some problem it is there. Sometimes by opening some application or certain links, so when you do certain task, that time only you are getting BSOD. So there is some other kind of stuff also. The point is whatever it is, guys, think what happens exactly before you are getting BSOD. So maybe you install new hardware and that hardware creating conflicts and it is not compatible to you. Then you are getting BSOD. So what you have to do? You are continuously are getting BSOD errors. What you have to do? Stop your entire system, remove the power connection, remove the hardware, and connect everything and start your PC. So make sure that your BSOD is resolved. Maybe install a new drivers. Okay, you install a new driver, so then you are getting BSOD. The drivers may causing some virtually some conflicts with your IRQ. Then you are getting BSOD and remove those drivers. You install an application, you install some application, and you put a next install completed. Then next time you are getting BSOD. Okay, so think like what you have done the last. Do you install any new hardware? Do you install any drivers? Are you updated something like a drivers update or operating system update or application update kind of stuff you have done? Or you install some application? If you done, then try to revert it. Uninstall the application. Sometimes you are getting BSOD and it is causing by some drivers or maybe because of some applications you are getting. So you cannot remove directly, right? So you can use a safe mode to remove drivers or uninstall an application. Sometimes difficult to do in a full mode because you are already getting BSODs. You better to go for a better to go for a safe mode and try to uninstall these drivers, uninstall the applications. If you change a BIOS setting, then you are getting BSOD error. Revert the settings or reset the settings. You can use system restore by if you are change some settings or if you change some settings or you install some applications or maybe you update the drivers or install new drivers and you are getting this BSOD, try system restore. Directly you can try system restore or you can go to safe mode and try system restoration. Okay, this is the way you can able to resolve it. If nothing is works, only one solution, that is remove your OS, reinstall the OS, or you can use reset this PC. If nothing works, reinstall OS or try reset this PC. Okay. If it is a Windows 10 and Windows 11, you have this option reset this PC. Okay. You can true reset this PC also. Or nothing, or otherwise you can try reinstall OS. So I will try it reversely because reinstalling OS is not for some people. Okay. Because we need a OS to related kind of stuff. Okay. You can use reset this PC option. Okay. So this is how to resolve the BSOD. Here in this line, you can able to see this is check the system and application logs in event viewer for errors or warnings that might more clues on the cause of BSOD. What is this event viewer? Anything happens in your system, it note down that things into the Windows logs. Okay. So event viewer, that is a event viewer. Okay. What is the event viewer contains? See, this is a Windows log. This is the different sections of your Windows log. Application, security, system, and setup. Okay. This is more related to your application and operating system. There is a number of events are 33,516 number of events are generated. Security related. Setup means again application and operating system. System related. See it is warning is generated. Information is there. Warning is there. You can find errors also. Errors. Okay. See the warning. Name resolution for the W pad timed out after something. This one. So we don't understand what it is. So some group policies related information successfully it is updated. Earlier it is having trouble to get update. Okay. So like this. The system related one. So kernel related, group policies related, like this. System related setup. So application or a services. See, these are all showing a installation information. Okay. Application installation, service related, update related things. It shows here. Security, login, logout. Okay. That information. Special logins information. Application. Again, it is system related, application related, and so see it is VM authentication services started card working. Okay. Yeah, there is a warning. Okay. So what is this? A web cache related, some warning is generated. Okay. Error. McAfee related error. So what it is you have done, I think some rule violation is happened with this application, SharePoint.exe application. Okay. So I run this one. My username, I run this application which access Microsoft current version run violating the rule. Okay. So that application related warnings. Okay. So what is a Windows log? In your system, either a user login, logout, application is installed, application is uninstalled, service is start, service is stopped, or maybe disk management related file system is changed. Okay. That entire information, every event will be showed on under Windows log under application security setup and system categories. Same issue it is. You can select and find out what it is also. Okay. So if you have got a BSOD, you want to investigate what changes that causing your BSOD. If possible, you can go to the event viewer also. Okay. And find out what are these events. Guys, understand what is a BSOD? Blue screen of death. If you got a blue screen of death, what to do? Just wait and make sure 100% completed. Once 100% completed, okay, and it system restart itself. So what happened? It can be mic error. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so then wait for 100% completed. Let system restart itself. And if you are not getting BSOD again, the issue, whatever the issue which causing the BSOD is resolved. But if you are getting again and again, point is something is happened. Something you have certain changes that happen. Maybe settings or maybe new installation or updates related to hardware or drivers or an application or BIOS settings. So what are the changes occur, you can able to revert it. Okay. To the revert process, I told it is better to go for a safe mode or go to the safe mode and you can try system restoration also. So what is this safe mode? What is the system restoration? Okay. What is safe mode? Safe mode is a minimal operating system. What is a safe mode? Minimal OS. It is used for troubleshooting. Most of the devices, drivers do not work, okay, like a audio drivers, graphic drivers, network drivers. The drivers won't work in the safe mode. It won't work. Device drivers won't work in the safe mode. And most of the applications, the background services, the background process won't run. See, in the background, I have lot of services, applications, process are running. These are won't run automatically. Even the services won't run. Most of the services, only system basic required services and process run. Not everything. Even though the graphical related things also won't run here. Okay. So you won't see the screen as our beautiful screen. Even there is no background kind of stuff. Only the black and very simple application loading only. It's look like this one. Okay. Okay. And viruses, virus related files, virus related process, antiviruses also won't work here. Yes, got the point? What is a safe mode? Minimal OS used for troubleshooting. Background services, process, applications do not run here. Drivers accept the required basic for a system requirement. Remaining drivers won't work here. Any multimedia related, printer related won't work here. Virus is actually the virus runs based on the background services and process. That won't work here. Antivirus actually runs in your background. So background services won't run. Your antivirus is also won't run here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So why we need to go to the BSOD? What is the troubleshooting we are doing, guys? Certain files we cannot able to delete in a normal board or a full mode of operating system. In normal board or a full mode of operating system, we cannot able to delete them in a normal mode or a full mode of operating system. Okay. So we can able to delete those things in the safe mode. We can able to delete those kind of virus files or certain files you can delete in the safe mode. We can uninstall an applications. We can uninstall the drivers. Sometimes certain applications are causing some troubles, like an antivirus, double antiviruses. You can't able to uninstall it in normal mode. We can uninstall in the safe mode. Certain drivers already linked to the hardware, we cannot able to uninstall it. So you can go to safe mode and uninstall those drivers. We can change the settings, which you cannot able to change those settings in normal mode. We can change those settings also. Okay. But how to go to this safe mode? How to go to the safe mode? So when you start your PC, press F8. When you start your PC, press F8 button. Once you press F8 button, it display a screen like this. Then select the safe mode or safe mode with networking. Of course, there is a one option is missed here. Okay, so start or restart your PC immediately. Press F8 or function plus F8. Then it will give a screen, advanced boot option screen. It will shows, and you have to select the safe mode or safe mode with networking if required. Okay, or you can go to the safe mode like this. Go to MS config. Go to MS config, that is a system configuration related. Select the boot, select safe mode, and you can select like a network or a minimal. Minimal means maybe command prompt it will shows, or you can use minimal, no problem. Apply, OK, and it is ask for restart now. Click on the restart now. Okay, click on the restart now. Then it will next time boot, it will take you the safe mode. And another option is there to go to the safe mode is go to the settings. Go to the settings. Okay. In the settings, go to update and security. Go to the recovery. Click on restart now under a advanced startup. Click on restart now under the advanced startup. Then it will take you this screen. Do you want to continue, exit and continue to the Windows 10? Or you want to go to troubleshoot? You want to turn off your PC. I go to the troubleshoot. Then it shows you want to reset this PC or advanced options. I want to go to safe mode, right? So I'm going to safe mode here. Go to the safe mode. Under a safe mode, sorry. Go to the advanced options. Under advanced options, there is a startup settings. Go to the startup settings, and under the startup settings, you will see a lot of options are there. So press F4 or F5 to go to the safe mode or safe mode with networking. Which one you want it? Like you press F5, F4 for safe mode. Okay. So these are the things to go to the safe mode, guys. So once again, in our Windows 10 or Windows 11, go to the settings, go to update and security, recovery, advanced startup, click on restart now. So here getting this type of screen, go to the troubleshoot, go to advanced options, then go to the startup settings, select F4 to go to the safe mode. Once you are going to the safe mode, you can able to troubleshoot your PC. Okay, you do what are the requirements. So this is about a safe mode. How to go to safe mode? Why should we go to the safe mode? That is the part. Guys, understand what is safe mode?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So another one. So small things only, guys, and it is important. So anytime it is useful for you to troubleshoot yourself or any place you can get it. Okay. Another one is system restore. What is a system restore? We can restore our system to earlier to the system restoration point. Earlier to the system restoration point. What is that meaning? For example, I'm write a timeline here and I have a system. So I have a some OS and I have some application. For example, I have application 1, application 2, and application 3. And I have done some settings. Okay, I have some data. Okay, and some device drivers. And for example, on 20th May, I have created a system restoration point. Okay, on 20th. Then I install some application number 4, and then I'm some certain settings, have some data changes, some drivers are updated, or OS is also updated. On 23rd, I got a problem. I got a problem because today I installed some application or maybe some update. I got a problem with my system. System not functioning properly. It is become dead slow. Or I got a BSOD. I got a BSOD. Where my system is working fine before 20th with this application settings drivers, my system is working fine. But after this one, not working. Somewhere it is, somewhere after some updates or certain settings changes, I am getting an issue. Okay. So what I can able to do it using this system restoration point, I am going to the earlier to this before 20th May, before the system restoration point is created, I'm going back to that one. If you are going to the back to that one, what will happen? Your data will be like that only. Data won't be restored or removed. Data won't be restored, data won't be removed. Only thing is the application you installed, the settings you changed, the drivers you updated or installed, OS you updated, all these things will be gone from your system. It get back this system again. Here it is working good, so then you will getting a working condition of system. Something we don't know, so there is you install app 5 and you are getting a problem and you don't know how to deal with it. Simply sometimes you can immediately delete it, sometimes you cannot. So then we can better to go for a previous to the system restoration point. You can undo changes by reverting your computer to the previous restoration point. We lost applications, drivers, settings after restoration point. After restoration point, what are the applications you install? What are the settings you have done? What are the updates you have done? What are the settings you have done will be lost. And you may get a before, for example, application 3 is uninstalled. After restoration point, you may get this one back. Maybe application 2 got updated. The update will be gone. The previous sub one only you will get it. Okay. You may get an uninstalled application settings driver switch after restoration point. What is the use? For troubleshooting. Install applications or settings, change of settings, it causes issues like a system slow, BSOD kind of stuff. To restore to the previous good condition before restoration point, choose the system restoration point. System restoration point can be created manually by user or automatically by application while installing it, or some Microsoft update time it will be created. Want to go to system restoration point? Go to the settings, system, click on about, can see system protection. System protection. You see my C drive is on, protection is on the C drive. Okay. You want to create a new system restoration point, click on configure. Okay. You want to turn on, go to turn on system protection and give some max space like that. If you want to create a system restoration point, click on create and give the your system restoration point name. Okay. Click on create, it will be created. Or you want to restore. Okay. So you think you have to want to restore it. Just click on a system restore. You can undo the system changes by reverting your computer to the previous restoration point. Restoration system restore can help fix problem that might be making your system running slow or stop responding. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your system run slow or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures, or personal data. Data won't be deleted, not to be restored with a system restore. It recently installed applications, drivers might be uninstalled. And I didn't create any system restoration point like that, so it is not showing. I didn't install any heavy applications also, it is not showing. But if you see in this screenshot, it is there. I go to the settings, system, about, system protection. Go to about your PC, go to system protection. This tab will be open. System properties, protection tab. So my C drive is on. So I selected this one, system restoration. Then it is showing automatically created system restoration point. So I select a scan for affected programs. So what happened when I select scan for affected programs? It is showing these are the programs and drivers that will be deleted. This will be restored. Okay. If you see, it is 171, it is 167. It is updated version that will be removed. The older one will be restored. Okay. So what is a system restoration point? It restore your system, accept the data, your operating system updates, settings, applications, drivers, all these things will be restored into the previous to the restoration point. Settings, things as in the system restoration point. If you want to do the restoration from the system, from here, like you got a BSOD, go to the safe mode, go to the system restoration from BSOD. It is safe and faster. And also you can do the system restoration from this troubleshooting option. See, so you want to restore, like you got a BSOD and you thought it is better, go for a system restoration, or maybe something you install some application and your system is dead slow, not functioning, and you want to system restore it. So what to do? Go to advanced startup, restart now, troubleshoot, advanced options, system restore, select it. So if it is showing any system restoration point before this issue is occur, okay, so select it, restore your system. Okay, guys, understand what is a system restoration point?
Understood, sir.
Very good. Only last one is there, which I am going to take. Okay, this is the last one. So after that one, we can close it. So don't worry. What is registry? And this is also involves in the issues. That's why I'm telling. And there is some troubleshooting we can do with the registry. What is a registry? And a registry contains information of your entire system, means hardware information, operating system information, application information, user settings information in the registry. actually say the registries also controls your system. Simply say, guys, you install an application. The application related information stores in the registry. Once again, you install an application, the application data in the program files or program files x86. Application data in the program files or program files x86. Okay, this is my SQL Server program. When I install that program related, that commands and operating kind of stuff, functionality kind of stuff will be located here. But in a registry, that where is the application? Where is application is there? Okay. What type of files will open with this application? Okay. So when you given a command, so from where it has to be loaded? Okay, which service number it is. So those information, where is an application and what is an application, what version number it is, okay, that information is there in the registry. I'm telling only one single point only. There is a lot of points about a registry. I'm telling only single point. Okay, so when I install an application, the application information go to the registry. Where is an application? What is the version of application? Okay, so that information is in the registry. Only one point. There are a lot of things, lot of information is there in the registry. Here, just for troubleshooting understanding purpose, I'm giving this example. Few days back, it is really happened to me. That's why I'm giving this example. Okay, it is quite often. Recently, I got this problem, means not personally, someone I know, so they are getting a problem. So same problem. So I resolved it like same way. So issues you can understand. Here it is. I install an application. Name is 21C XC Oracle database application I installed 21C Express Edition. It is heavy application. So when I'm installing, there's some interruption is occur. Installation is failed. What happened? Installation got failed. Some applications, if application is failed, installation is failed, what will happen? It roll back to the previous. For example, VMware workstation application. While installation of application is failed, it roll back means it remove all the information, the installed files, uninstalled files, or means that related files, registry entries, everything will be removed automatically if it is failed. But some applications won't remove. Even it is successful or fail, whatever it is, it won't be removed. Okay. So what I have done, so here it is, what is the problem is occur. When I'm trying to install this application, it is failed. So if it is failed, what I have to do? I have to install it again, right? I want to install it again because I want that application. I want to practice for some time. New version it is that too. So I want to see how it is. Okay. So I am trying to install it again. So what is the system is telling? It is already installed. It's a failed, but it is showing it is already installed. I'm trying with the lower version. It is saying already higher version is installed. I'm trying 19C. It is saying already 21C is there. So I got a problem, right? So it is actual application is not working. It is failed installation. But I'm trying to installation again. Nothing working. So what I have done, I went to the installation location. I went to the installation location and I find those files and delete the files because in a control panel, I don't find any uninstallation link. Okay. One second. One second. Yeah, 5 minutes. Okay, okay. Your sir called me, so we'll finish this in a 2 minutes. If you are understanding, that is point important. Okay. So what I have done, so I find where is an application in my location, then I will find and I remove that application data. Okay. Then what I have to happen, again I tried. Even I delete the files in installation location. Again I try to install. Again same story. Already application is there. So what I have done, I went to the registry editor. I went to the reg editor. This is the registry editor contains your system information. So where I went under local machine, expand local machine, go to the software, expand the software, and it is a Oracle related application. So I selected Oracle. Under this Oracle, it is showing like this. It is showing like this. Key for a DB21 some home 2. Okay. It is a Oracle application, my Oracle DB application. I have a lot of Oracle applications and this is Oracle database application. So I right click delete. Then I restart my PC. So what I have done, find Oracle 21 series related entries and I deleted it and restart my PC. So computer, where I went, local machine, software, Oracle, and this is the link I find. It is completely related. See, it is where is an application. Even I deleted these files, app, init, all these things I have deleted. Original location, application is deleted, but inside this registry, it is showing it is there. I have deleted, but it is showing it is there. Okay, what I have done, I remove this entire one, deleted and restarted my PC, and then I try to install it again. Next time it is installed. Okay. So you can see there is some application. You can see this is the Oracle Virtual Box related application. This application it is. Okay. This is MySQL Workbench application. See, C drive and MySQL program files, MySQL Workbench. There is a location of my application location. Okay. And here nothing, it is showing like this. I install Node.js application. See Node.js environment is enable, disable, Node.js installation location. Can you see that one? QuickTech. QuickTech is a company. QuickU is an application. Okay, the location of application and version. Python. Python core. I have a two installations are there. One is 3.11, 3.12. So their information. Separately. IDE location. See installation path. Okay. 12 installation path. See the difference. I don't know where is the 12 is installed, but my registry knows where is the 12 and 11 is installed, which path it is. Guys, this is about your registry. Registry contains information of your system, hardware, operating system, application, user settings. Okay. So simply one single point I said, that is when you install an application, the information related to the application stores in registry. If you uninstall the application, the information in registry related to that application will be removed. Okay. So if in case in certain situations it is required, you should go to the location and delete the files. And I told that scenario also. Not every time, not manually don't do it. Okay. You should not do it until unless you know what you are doing it. Don't do some randomly. If you do some randomly, it may cause system problem and you cannot revert it because you don't know how where it is. Okay. Until unless you know, then only you can able to touch it. the registry. Registers are very dangerous. You can use CC cleaner to clean the registry. If in case you don't know, you uninstall an application, but still in the registry information is there. Use CC cleaner and clean the registry. That is also gives better. Even I do that CC cleaner kind of stuff. Okay. Mostly I don't try like this. Only occasionally I will try. Otherwise, I will use a CC cleaner to clean up the unwanted things in the registry. Okay, guys, understand? Registry, safe mode, system restore, and BSOD. Order is different. Okay, very good. So meet you tomorrow. So I think Ravan sir is waiting for you. Okay. So tomorrow is a Friday, right? To meet you tomorrow. I think maybe if any changes, we'll know it. Okay.
Okay,
That's
sir.
it for today. Thank you, guys.